Hello friends, my name is Ansh Chaudhary and I am read in class 8 standard and I read in MCA Public School. So today we discuss about topic exponents. What is exponents? When any number multiply by itself again and again is called exponents. Example of exponents is when x multiply n times, we write x to the power n. When any number whose multiply by again and again multiply by is again and again is called exponents. So x we multiply again and again n times, we write x is common base and we write n power because is multiply n times. And some numerical example of exponents are so we taken 2 multiply by 4 times, we write base 2 and power 4, power or index 4. And second, we know about law of exponents. So here law of exponents, there are some rule in law of exponents. The first rule is we write a number which base is same, power is different and the sign of multiply we do base is common and power we add. For example, in numerical so we taken a number 2 upon 3 which same and sign of multiply and power is different, we do base is common and power is plus. And second, we see that when base is same and sign of divide and the power is different, we do base is common and power is subtract. For example, we see that base is same and sign of divide and power is different, we write base common and power will be subtracted. And third rule, we see when any number have more than one base, we do base is right and power will be multiplied. For example, we see base and power is more than one, we do base right and power is multiplied. And the fourth rule of exponents, when any number have sign is multiply and base is different but power is same, we do multiply of base and base is common. For examples, we see base is different and power is same and the sign of multiply we do base have multiply and power is common. And the fifth rule of exponents is we see any base have power in the negative, we do reciprocal of the base and power is positive. For examples, we see base and have power is in the minus, we do base reciprocal and the power is in positive. And the sixth and last rule of exponents is when any number have power is 0, we always return 1. For example, any large number or small number have power is 0, we always return 1. Thank you.